Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your payment method with Payoneer, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify your payment method with Payoneer, start by logging into your Payoneer account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Settings tab located in the menu. In the Settings section, find and select Bank Account or Payment Methods. You will see options for adding and managing your payment methods. Click on Add a Bank Account to begin the verification process. Select the country where your bank is located from the drop-down menu. Next, enter the required banking information, including your bank's name and account number. Make sure to provide accurate details to avoid any issues. After filling in your bank information, click on Continue to proceed to the next step. Payoneer may require additional information for verification, such as your bank's address. Follow the prompts to submit the necessary details accordingly. You may also be asked to upload a document verifying your identity, such as a government-issued ID. Ensure that the document is clear and legible, adhering to Payoneer's guidelines. After uploading your document, hit the Submit button. Payoneer will review your information, which may take a few business days. You will receive a notification once your payment method has been verified. If there are any issues, Payoneer will notify you via email with further instructions. Once verified, you can start using your payment method for transactions with Payoneer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.